Claude Code plus Higgsfield plus Google Workspace. I'm going to teach you how you can automate making creatives for your Shopify store and any business. Let's get straight into it. So you can see here, this is my store, right? This store is, did 3,000. It's done just under $100,000 in 7 weeks. Profitability is very low because it's starting in drop shipping. We're moving it to a fulfillment center, investing in stock and so on and so forth. But I want to sort of teach you about how you can sort of do this, and something I've been doing a lot that I'm genuinely excited about that I wanted to talk to you about today. Firstly, I wanted to talk about how you can use AI for pretty much everything, right? So firstly, you should be using Claude. Everyone's using Claude at the moment, right? I'm nothing special. Everyone is using it. All the AI community, everyone is pretty much using Claude. I would honestly cancel your ChatGPT subscription. It is honestly become pointless, right? The Claude is just so much better and so much more flexible and versatile. You can see here I've made a design system. Claude has just released Claude Design. They soon have AI agents as well, which is really, really cool for a lot of people. And here I just put in like something, make a front end design for a fashion brand around women. I gave it note. It's like quiet luxury, that, la, 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 whatever, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to choose this. And then it's going to take 5 minutes and it's going to create me something, right? It's going to create me something. Now, you still, by the way, you need to use tools like Figma and stuff. You should always still use tools like Figma and that. But using tools like this, where it can give you concepts to give you 80% of the work, while you do many other things, is genuinely amazing, right? Okay. So what I want you to do is use Claude, and mostly also what we want to use is, as part of this, we're going to be using a few other tools as well. We're going to use Claude Design, Claude Code. Okay. I recommend that you get Whisperflow. Most entrepreneurs that are improving productivity are using Whisperflow. It works on your phone, works on desktop, Mac, whatever. Basically, you can talk, and you can see it little down here, and I'll be using it through this. $20 a month, absolutely amazing. You should be using it. And then you, as well, and I'll link these below, you can use the Higgsfield CLI, which just came out, and they've just used it on the trend for Hermes, Claude, as well as OpenClaw. I use Claude Code, but like it can even work for those, but we just use Claude Code because there's the most amount of support out there. And then you want to use Anti-Gravity, which essentially is just Google's version of Visual Studio, of Microsoft's Visual Studio. And the reason we use it is more, I just think it's more user-friendly. Visual Studio is a bit more developer focused because it is genuinely for developers, whereas Anti-Gravity is a bit more user-friendly. It's free, okay? And you install it, okay? And with the Claude, okay? So let me just go into my Anti-Gravity now, okay? So what you want to do is you just want to simply go, once you've installed Anti-Gravity, go under extensions, okay? And you just literally want to find the Claude Code Visual Studio, and you just install it. It's going to ask you to authenticate, and there you go, you're done. And then you just, from there on in, you don't look at most of this, right? We don't need to, okay? You basically want to look at, these are your sessions. You want to make a new session. I've started a session here, okay? And I've already connected the Higgsfield CLI, which stands for Command Line Interface. So basically the benefit of using CLI over an MCP is you use a lot less tokens, okay? And it's actually, in my eyes, it's a lot faster and easier. Everything is moving towards, we're going into AI agents, and now CLI is essentially the new type of integration where we can do CLIs, and using these tools, you can use this for anything, okay? And what I wanted to say as well is the other reason I was saying, I'll link this as well. This is not an official tool, but everyone is absolutely fucking loving it, and I do it too. I've literally was working on it last night. Absolutely amazing, and it'll be consistently updated. You can see here it's got heaps of skills, okay? And what this does is it stands for GWS, stands for Google Workspace Center. Basically, one of the biggest problems we've had with Google in the past is you can't get it to make docs, you can't get it to manage your email, you can't get it to make sheets, presentations. With this, it's an unofficial but sort of official, I don't understand all the specifics truthfully, but it's got heaps of recipes and stuff as well, where basically, like you can use a classroom course, and it's just got all of this, and the more skills they add, it's just only going to get better. So you can see here, right, like if you're not sure about CLI, they've got very good descriptions. Like GitHub is just a developer platform. It's the go-to, okay? And basically what you want to do is you would want to install this, right? And you copy this. You can either copy it and manually put it in, or you can literally just get the GitHub, okay? Pardon me, I'll get the proper link so I get it right, okay? I like to copy that to get it right. And then I just use my dictation tool. Hey, I want you to look at the instructions for this GitHub, and give me the instructions on how I actually install this and then can authenticate, okay? So it is a bit more technical than this in many regards. You will need to go into your Google, you'll need a Google Cloud. But what I'm saying is I'm not going to get in every detail because this channel is more about marketing and stuff, right? But basically what it's going to do is it just let it guide you. Okay. It's really that simple. And Google Cloud is just, it's again, a developer thing where you just essentially go in there and you'll go into the API section, just go yes to all of these, let it read me and stuff. And you'll just enable all the services you want: Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Gmail. And then you just basically make an app, a desktop app, get the token, copy it in, right? So, and then you can see here, it's given the instructions, the easiest way. And so what I'm saying is I'm not going to get into detail because I like every detail of this because I'm not, into all of that. You can check out my course and stuff, course, for that too. Basically, you'll end up getting a token and you authenticate your user. And it's as simple as that. Just follow the literal steps, right? So, go to Google Cloud and follow the steps and just get it to help you set that up. Okay. There's plenty of other videos that are more detailed than mine, and go check them out as well. There's Nate Herc has videos on them. I strongly recommend checking that out. He's a big AI guru. Anyway, so you basically install this, and what the benefit is that with this plus Higgsfield means that Higgsfield can create the creatives with Claude code, and then at the same time it can upload the creatives to your Google Drive, is what my point is. It can even send you an email if you really want that as well. Okay, so you can use both of these, and you need to connect it into a single anti-gravity project because each project has different .env file, right? .env stands for environment file. That's the environment variables, right? Each project that you make, when you go file and you go open folder, where basically, it's weird how it has it set, right? But open folder is basically a new project, and you can make multiple projects, and each one has its own env file, and the env file is tokens, right? And so very important that you understand that as well, so that way you can get that done. Then the other thing I would recommend you do as well is also make a Facebook developer app, okay, and bind it into your business manager. You can go to developers.facebook.com. If you go here, right, and this website, and again ask Claude, hey, I want you to help me connect to my ad account, and it'll guide you through all the steps. It's really easy. You essentially go here, okay, and you make your developer app, and you give it the permissions under the graph API, whatever it is called, and then you get the token, and you get your ad account ID, which you get in your business settings, as well as your app ID, which you'll see under your apps on your business settings as well. Give it to that, and then it can read the ad account. And then on top of that, so now we're starting to build up the tools. Once you have Higgsfield connected via CLI, which you just, again, get it to read this page and give you instructions if you're not sure how, but essentially install the CLI. You may encounter installation issues. Go through the issues with anti-gravity. I literally had it last night. They just released a new version and it fixed a bug, right? Because this is so new, okay? And then you will sign in. You basically copy that, and then you can get the skills, and it's got 4 skills, okay, at the moment, and no doubt it's going to have more. And so what I'm saying is, between making the Facebook app using Claude code, Higgsfield, and the GWS, what you can do is combine all 4 of those into making an AI agent that will look at your Facebook ad account, find your winners, automatically analyze that, and then make creatives in Higgsfield. It will then automatically upload it into Google Drive for you, and you can even go to the extent, if you wanted, of publishing it. But I don't do that personally, at least at this stage. I just think that that's going to get you suspended. I don't know, like, I'm testing it, but in very isolated things, right? And then on top of that, if you use, this is a new tool that I've made called Singular, that's your AI co-founder, right? That makes AI agents to help run your store, run your business, and it can help fill a lot of the gaps. It's only in alpha at the moment, so please join the wait list where the open beta comes out, which will be probably about a month and a half to 2 months. And then you'll get free access during the open beta, of course, as well. And full transparency, I'm going to monetize this. And basically it will be, you speak to them and it hires your team for you. You can hire Facebook ads, Google ads, connect all these tools via CLI and various integrations. Use it in Telegram as well as on your phone. Naturally, you can use Telegram on your phone as well. And it will do tasks for you. It will analyze your store, do your SEO, check your Google ads, check the competitors. It can do pretty much anything, right? And the key that I like about a tool like this that I wanted is it's got strong memory, right? Many of these tools have bad memory. With this, has really good memory and really good safety. I'm very big on that because I'm not going to be using it if it doesn't have good safety myself, right? Now, ignore the fact this page is not perfect. I plan to improve this page. Just join the waitlist. And as you can see here, it is going to be $99 a month. But, essentially it means that you don't need to hire a lot of these people, right? So I'm just saying that I'm going to make a step-by-step instructional document as well that has everything here that will explain it all, rather than me going through every every individual step. And then obviously as well, I recommend that you use Beautify. We've just released a store builder that now you can via one link build that. So you can build your store, and then you can use all these other tools to basically run a one-man operation in just a few minutes, right? And this is using Claude and stuff as well. So, again, full transparency, anyone watching it, that's also my tool. I use it myself. I absolutely love it. I love everything about AI, and I only recommend tools that honestly I think that are genuinely good. Okay, so I just wanted to make this video on this. All right, cool. So now I want to make a creative using Higgsfield, using this reference image. I want to make a static image ad, and I want to make 3 variations, as well as I'd like to make a video AI UGC of a woman holding the product that's 25 years old, that has blonde hair, that is speaking to the camera, that has a United States accent. You can see what I've just done is this is where you need to also learn about the few quirks when it comes to being a developer. For instance, you can see I've uploaded a reference image, and I said I wanted to make this, and it got confused. And then, sometimes, so with images, sometimes you actually need to upload it yourself in your local directory. You can see mine's there. I use OneDrive as a backup, documents, Claude, creatives, and you just upload it. And I just got the file name URL path, which was this. I just copied it, get the full URL path, because I just wanted to give an example. Okay. And you can see that, it's done some bash commands. So generate UGC, generate ad. Okay. And this was all just via using the Higgsfield CLI. Now let's open this up, and literally amazing. Now, you can see that, that didn't take me long at all, right? I literally just told it to do that, and you can still see the UGC is rendering, right? And so there we go, and it's ready. It used VO3, it used GPT, right? So it actually determined to use GPT. I'm used to using Nano Banana, but I'm not opposed to using any of these if they're, well built. Let's go have a look at the video. All right, so obviously that looks crap, but because I gave it very little context. Okay, so for what it's worth, very little context, that's fantastic. Obviously that looks crap, and that's sticking out. Just noticed that. So this is where AI does make many mistakes. My recommendation here is build a brand kit. So what I'd actually do is go into the Claude, the desktop app, okay, and say build a brand kit. You can even get your design system, and you can get Claude to do a design system, but nonetheless build brand kit. Tell it about your brand. Use Whisperflow to give it, and say analyze my website, make a brand kit. And then what you want to do is you go in here and say, hey, I want to make a Claude. I want to make a skill that is around my brand, and it'll make the file directory and that, and do it in this project for you too. And then say, I want to reference this and use these types of creatives. What you want to do is you want to add a few reference images of creatives you made manually. So do things manually to start off with, and then use this where you can then do it. And then on top of that, this is where you can go into your agent manager. Okay. And you can see here, you can make now this tool is a bit buggy because it's new and it's had high server load. You can see I've just done a few tests in this project for it, and you can actually make then a conversation and make an AI agent as well from this. I'm still testing this, so this is not 100% validated yet, but what I'm getting at is that. So as I said, I will make a tutorial. The link will be down below for all the tools and everything for you to have, because I know this is a lot and you will need step by step. I will employ you, learn how to use anti-gravity and just prompting it and following instructions. It really does 99% of the legwork for us. It's phenomenal. And then with that instruction document, you should be good to go. But it's pretty amazing where you can do that and then say, I want to make 20. And you can, because I'm using GWS as well, I can say, I want to output this into a Google Sheet. I want you to make 100 of it, and it will just go. And if you connect it to your ad account, okay, it'll then find your winners, and then it'll make replications, similar split test hooks. Even if, right, it doesn't upload it and everything for you into Facebook, and you have to still do that part manually, this is taking out 90% of the work. So instead of you spending hours making creatives, you spend like 5 minutes, and then the rest is in the ads manager. Upload it, walk away, do other parts in your business. So I just wanted to make this video. This is definitely the future. And yeah, so and then on top of that, I really want more beta users, especially for this, for Singular, to get a lot of feedback. It's far from perfect. So make sure you go check that out as well, because using tools like this, I plan to use it more and more so I can have a smaller, more nimble team, right? I want to have and so if you want the same, which I think you should these days, e-commerce is hard and business is hard, no matter what you see online. Having tools like this is really important. And if you are building your store, I recommend using something like this. As I said, Beautify, I made it. Literally, we've got the store builder with now the product link URL. People absolutely love it. And so, go check it out and use it for your brand as well. Other than that, check the links in the comment. Everything is in the description. Otherwise, please be sure to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for your time today. Have a lovely day. Take care and goodbye.